Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got the most unique watch face in the Gear Manager store, worthy of a review. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome, very unique watch face that's being brought to the table today by an awesome developer. Now what I like about this developer is that she's not afraid to raise the bar. She's not afraid to bring something different, something unique to the table. She's definitely not afraid to step outside of the box. Now the name of the watch face is called Give Peace a Chance. It's a nice middle-aged style watch face that looks nice. Now in AOD mode, I really like this. Night mode, that's what I'm calling it, the night mode. Very awesome. Now once the watch face is on, you're greeted with many different flags. It's like this watch face is pretty much bringing the world together for world peace. I'm liking this one. You got Germany, you got France, you got China, you got Russia, you got Spain, you got Israel, you got every flag pretty much almost all in one place. I'm liking this look. You got to hit me in the comment section below. I would really like to know your thoughts on this one, right? Now you can customize this to 4 different colors, right? And they're all nice. They're all nice. Just cycle through. Makes the watch face look good. Now this is the night mode. So if you want to put it in that mode, you don't have to wait till you go into the always on mode, but this is definitely a good look. And I like that you got a second hand. I like the color of the hour and the minute hand and that animation in the middle. Definitely add some character to the watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Remember, I would love to hear your thoughts on this watch face. This one has got to be the most unique watch face I've seen in quite some time. All right, you all, if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.